Om Apadamapahartaram Tataram Sarvasampadam Lokabhiramam Shriramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham. Om Apadamapahartaram Dataram Sarvasampadam Lokabhiramam Shriramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham. Om Apadamapahartaram Dataram Sarvasampadam Lokabhiramam Shriramam Bhuyo Bhuyo Namamyaham.
Dhanyavadaha.
I'll be back in a minute.
Dhanyavadaha, Guruji.
Namaste. My question is, where is this mental restlessness comes? You have only one restlessness given there. We split it into two. Are there two separate words now?
So, no, that's what. So, what is restlessness? This is Pujya Swamiji's translation. They are obviously mental restless. When he says somebody is restless, means they are referring to the mind. But this pravritti means body is set in motion. And so that is referred to here as physical restlessness. So we can take it. If you don't like the word, you can remove mental restlessness and replace physical restlessness by activity, physical activity.
In fact, to look at it,
we also say it is, in the translation we said undertaking of activity. Activity is already included.
Wait. Okay, so yeah. See, undertaking of activities means undertaking of specific projects, specific things to accomplish. That is the meaning there. Pravritti is just general activity. Activity required to accomplish those action items. One is an action item, another is activity. Yeah, that's the way to look at it.
In fact, pravritti arises out of restlessness. Desire is a restlessness.
Yeah. So, mind tells the body to move. Come on, don't sit like this. There's a lot of things to achieve. Yeah, somebody else raised. What is this? Correct. Arise, awake, shine, stop not, and all that is there. Till you succeed. All that was there. Correct. Okay. So Premaji, your Wi-Fi is good now?
About how to look at how it originated and how it has come to a point where we are going to our scriptures to learn more. That is a very novel point to bring out. Because most people said, oh, they get tired of that one, so they start something else. This is the kind of attitude people have. It's not that. It was a very, very new angle to see that we started so many other ways of getting that spirit up to want to like our scriptures and to know more. So you brought that point out. I was very, very happy.
Thank you.
Guruji,
Yeah, go ahead.
in this pravritti arambaha, it is that even the swarga paraha, that also comes under this only, no? Like people who go after swarga, is that also coming under, because Kamatmana, there is a shloka, no? Before
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Kamatmana Surgapara.
Kamasangar.
So, yeah, basically, pravritti does not, it doesn't say anywhere the pravritti is only in Bhuloka. Pravritti can be desire for anything. Desire for anything is pravritti. Will make me karmanam arambha. Karmanam arambha. So, now, now, desire for moksha, we will say is pravritti. But suppose somebody's definition of moksha is going to swarga. Go to swarga. For them, it is moksha. The moksha prapti. Very important for them. Prapti. And it is pravritti in the sense that Vaikuntha is not here. It's somewhere else. And I have to, but I'm not doing it while I'm alive. That travel is not while I'm alive. Therefore, we don't, therefore, by that thought, you don't include it in the pravritti. Pravritti is, because this is meant for Linga to understand my gunas, correct? And so, activity in this day, today, while I am alive, it makes me do stuff. And it depends on what they make you do to go to heaven. If they make you do a lot of things to go to heaven, then it will come under pravritti category. Correct?
Yeah.
Then it's pravritti, clean pravritti. But in our definition of moksha, it is nivritti, complete, reverse, nivritti. Pravritti is meant for antakarana shuddhi, which is meant for nivritti.
So I was just thinking, if it is a thing which you have to gain, then you have to work, right?
So,
Correct.
Apraptasya
Huh?
apraptasya prapti.
Okay, apraptasya prapti is artha, kama, dharma, prapanam comes under that category. So what was Meera saying?
You are saying praptasya prapti, so why there is nivritti?
No. I meant to say, like, if you have to get something, you have to work towards it. So it is like if you want to know something about yourself, then it just happens because it's already there. Knowledge is there. Like jnanam is there. So in which category I was thinking, like this Rajogana, is it for pravritti marga, for everything you need Rajoguna, right? I mean predominant. I meant to say predominant.
Right. Predominating. But sattva also can predominate with rajas being second, right? So rajas doesn't have to be predominant for you to be active. Rajas must be there for you to be active. If rajas predominates, then for you action is very important. Activities, you can't even sit. Sitting is not itself won't work for a very highly active person. So everybody has rajas, everybody needs rajas. Swami says, we're all sattva pradhana people, but you need rajas because otherwise you won't come to class, he says. I want you to have some rajas, like that he says. So, so what did Shankaracharya say? Aparam chet praptavyam, param chet jnatam. That's it. That one statement is a plain bold. Aparam chet praptavyam. Because aparam and apraptasya prapti category. Param chet praptasya prapti category.
Because I was thinking with all we got to know in the 12th chapter also, no? If it is Saguna Upasanam and all that, they have to do the pravritti, right? Like a lot of things are there, and some of them believe in a lot of karma kanda. I mean, the rituals and all that. So I was just thinking probably they could be sattva predominant with followed by rajas, because it depends on what attitude you are carrying behind.
Guruji, when we were taught the Tattva Bodha, they talked about Shuddha Tattvams like Shuddha Sattva, Shuddha Rajas, and Shuddha Tamas, and then Mishra Tattvams like Mishra Sattva and Rajas. So does that account for the question that Meera is asking?
No, see, Shuddha Sattvam, Malina Sattvam and all is there. Okay. Those are terms used for various mixtures. But no, the Meera is asking a different question. She's saying, what about the people who are doing a lot of tapas, upasanam, which is a lot of effort? It's not easy. It's not easy to do all that. And so, what about that? Well, that will come because that is meant for moksha, mokshartham, mokshartham. We will not put it in the pravritti category. Pravritti is outgoing. This tapas is ingoing. This tapas is letting go of all those things. So therefore, it can't be put in the category of pravritti. Doesn't matter. Even pranayamam, asanam, ashtanga yoga, everything is all, we should put it under the category of what? Nivritti,
The
not
goal,
pravritti.
so
Not pravritti.
the goal is important, not the action.
Attitude behind the action, what you actually aim for, right?
Yeah, definitely. What's the goal?
The sankalpa.
Pravritti means karma. Karma will give you karma phala. Moksha is not karma phala. Therefore, anything I do for moksha can't go under karma category. Look at it like that. Look at it like that. That'll make it easier for us. That's why he said karmanam arambha. Karmanam arambhe sati, moksha is not there. Because karmana na moksha. Because it is praptasya prapti. So, therefore, what we will say is, then I must do karma for what? If I am interested in moksha, I must do karma for
Chitta Shuddhi.
no. That's it. Antakarna shuddhi. Whatever work I do, whatever do my duty. Duty becomes predominant. Pancha Mahayajna becomes predominant. Karma. That is the type of karma one does. Good. Yeah, Girishji, go ahead.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
So does that answer, Meera?
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah.
Hari Om Guruji. When you said that mind makes the body act, so is the mind inside the body or mind is outside the body?
What do you think it is?
I don't know. I think it is in the entire body. Every cell has got a mind in it.
Okay, that means mind is still in the body. Even if every cell has a mind is in the body or outside the body?
In the body. But we normally refer BMI, body, mind, and intelligence, or BMS, body, mind, sense. And why we do that when instead of telling only body? I'm just asking. Is it because of the the causal body? This is, we are actually distinguishing by a different body.
See,
Physical body.
body itself is split. Body itself is not one. When I go to the doctor, I don't say I have body problem. Nobody says I have body problem. They say I have a problem with my eyes are hurting, or my elbow is hurting, I am unable to breathe. With breathing problem I have, we say. They don't say nobody says I have body problem. That means what? Body is also broken into pieces, and I am aware of which piece I have to highlight when I go to the doctor. The body is also parts only. And why do you separate the mind and body? Why should we separate mind and body? Tell me. In our analysis, discussion, and all that, mind and body are always separate, right?
Correct, correct.
Body, sense organs, mind. And then, so why are we separating like? We are separating because we are now analyzing Atma.
Mm.
Is Atma the mind? First, I mean, is Atma the body? Is Atma the body? Body is gross, whatever is visible is the body. Is Atma the body? Then we say, no, Atma is not the body. Then, then we have to go to subtler things. Mind is not visible. Body is visible. Mind is not visible. And so maybe Atma is the mind. Because there's a maximum we can know. The maximum we can talk about, an average person can talk about, is the so maximum an average person can talk about is the mind, correct?
Correct.
Maximum.
Very
Beyond that,
common. Mm.
yeah, mind itself, என் மனசு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. Emotion, because emotion, people are expressive when it comes to emotion. I'm happy today, I'm sad. All that they will say, therefore they know that the body is not sad, but I'm sad. And that I is the mind, right? That much they can say. So mind is a separate entity. We have to talk about it. And so those are the reasons. And intelligence, BMI, maybe that is buddhi, I think, right? BMI, when you said BMI, that's buddhi, intelligence.
This is a famous Chinmayananda chart, BMI chart.
BMI chart, famous Chinmayananda chart. Correct. I've seen it.
He used to have a long that pole, that transistor stick we used to use in the earlier days. Then that laser lights came.
BMI. Do you know why BMI is important? Ramuji, why is BMI important? Means, why is the chart? Why did you put the chart there like that?
And he started with the body, mind, intellect, and what all that comes, what all falls under everything. Vasanas, body, mind, intellect, body, this thing, physical activities, mind, emotions, intellect, and all these things. That big thing is there.
Correct. So, it helps us objectify all these things. It says body is an object of my cognition. Let's look at analyze the sense organs. Sense organs are also an object of my cognition. Therefore, they are anatma. What about mind? Mind also, when you analyze the way Shastram analyzes, mind also is an object, atma. And I cannot be the mind. For atma is something other than this BMI. That is why BMI is important. So all along I was thinking I was the mind, but now I'm not even the mind. Like that. Rupam drishyam lochanam drik tadrishyam driktu manasam. Where does it come? Shankaracharya wrote it. It's called Drishyam Vivek. First loka, right? Rupam drishyam lochanam drik. Look at this. Look at what is. Rupam drishyam. Hey, what I see has rupa. It's a form. It's an object. Rupam drishyam. Lochanam drik. The scene is the object there. And what about lochanam? Lochanam is eyes. Eye is the seer of that object. Okay. Okay, that's clear. Rupam drishyam lochanam drik tadrishyam driktu manasam. Then he said, wait. No, that's not correct. Lochanam drik, but lochanam also is drishyam. Tadrishyam, tad lochanam drishyam. Drik to manasam. Drik means seer, observer. Observer is a mind. There is a mind behind the eyes. Drishyadhivrittaya sakshi drige vanatu drishyate. Hey, mind means what? Thoughts. Hey, thoughts, drishyaha, dhivrittayaha. Hey, this mind you say is the seer. No, mind is not the seer. Dhivrittayaha, that mind which is equal to all the vrittis, they're all drishyaha. They're all object of your cognition. Then what? Drishya dhrivittaya sakshi drige vanatu drishyate. There is something called sakshi. Drik eva natu drishyate. Can you put the same logic and say drik, Atma is the seer and therefore there is something else that is seeing the Atma? No, you can't say. This is the first shloka of Drik Drishya Vivek. So that's why it's eventually we'll end up analyzing this body and so body, mind, senses, buddhi, ahankara, chittam, all these words are used.
And all these will be negated and we will reach consciousness.
Only problem is you won't reach
We dissolve it, no? We dissolve at one point of time. Even mind also will be dissolved and only the consciousness will remain, right?
But that's of no use to me, right? If mind dissolves, suppose I teach you how to dissolve mind. Then, suppose somebody calls you, Girish, where are you? And you have to respond. You can't, even to say I got moksha, you need mind. My Guruji taught me I got moksha. Suppose you want to tell somebody, you need a mind to do that. Correct? So, this mind dissolution, we are not here to dissolve our mind. We are here to understand that the mind is not. Mind is Atma, but Atma is not mind. Correct? Girishji.
Yes.
We are here to understand that pot is clay, but clay is not pot. I don't have to dissolve the pot, right? To understand this? Or do I have to break the pot in order to see clay?
No.
I don't have to break. That's the same thing with the mind also. I don't have to do anything to the mind, in fact. Shankaracharya will not accept.
No mononasha of the yoga.
Hey, see, it is a fact. It is a fact to be understood. That's all. That's all about it.
Even in the physical plane, it's similar, no, Guruji, because body, when you are awake in waking state, you are actually aware of that mind is functional, body is functional. But there is a state where mind is completely withdrawn and you disconnect from the body. So even in that case, physical also, you see that body is in the mind, but mind is like it can disconnect from the body. It has the capacity to.
Oh, yes. Correct. To disconnect from the body completely. When awake.
Yeah.
See, when in Shushupti, it disconnects. Mind itself is gone. That's easy. Everybody does that. But while being awake,
Yeah.
it's possible to disconnect from the body. And you don't need to meditate in order to disconnect. Correct? Suppose you are intently listening to something, you are disconnected from your body. That's it. Oh.
Yeah. So that answers probably Girish sir's question, like body, like similar to clay and pot, body can be in the mind, mind can be independent of the body.
But his question was, is mind inside the body or outside the body?
Correct.
That's a tough question to ask because mind is outside the body means what? When I go out, I have to, like I forget my keys, sometimes I forget my mind also. So I have to ask my wife or brother or somebody to remind, oh, please make sure I take my mind with me.
Like the famous Panchatantra story, monkey and the crocodile.
Very interesting, but the question was quite interesting. We can think about it.
Think about it. So mind is subtle, and so
Yeah.
Therefore, the more subtle it becomes, Sukshmam, what did Shankara's definition of Sukshmam?
It overcomes the limitation.
What are the 5 things he said?
All spreading.
Sarvavya.
All pervasiveness,
Sarvavya. Vyapaka.
inability to perceive, going closer to Atma,
Mm.
Nirgunatvam it will gain. All these things are there. So yeah, that's why Hiranyagarbha, one can talk about Hiranyagarbha, which is what? The all-pervasive mind. The minds of everybody is Hiranyagarbha. So yeah, so Girish's question has the basis.
I think it's the standpoint, basically, from where you look at things.
Right, right. So Girishji, is it helping this discussion?
Yeah, yes, definitely.
Because sometimes we can say, oh, I'm now more confused than I was before.
No.
I wish I did not ask the question. That sometimes we get into that.
No, every time we sit in the class, we get to learn more, no? And slowly we are reaching, gaining more knowledge, and the clarity is being coming. Yeah.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Jaykumarji, when is the IKI lecture?
That lecture, they gave me 3 options: Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. I said Wednesday. Jaykumar is going to go and talk to this chartered accountants and all. Then about this topic of stress management and spirituality. After he introduced me, I told the audience, guys, I have no idea what I'm going to say. I'm getting stressed because of this topic. You have to give me ideas. Pajago Shankaracharya, is he talking about stress somewhere? Or Krishna is talking about stress somewhere?
I had made some comments in the history where you had commented that you are going.
Huh?
I had made some comments in the WhatsApp group where you have made that you are going.
Oh, yeah, no, I saw that. The history group. Yes. I saw that you had commented. I need to go look at it. So you said, I think Patsati ji has spoken and all. You sent a document.
He is mainly talking on that. I have attended the seminars and all. I have prepared the slides and all for each seminar always.
Right. Yeah. You used to help him a lot, no?
When he comes to Muscat.
Okay. Muscat. Right.
There was no this thing and all. It had to be physically presented through the box, through the projector. At that time, computer PPTs and all were not there. So I used to prepare the PPT, take a printout, and give him. And he used to put that slides. The other type of slides used to be prepared in the transparency.
Transparencies. Yeah. Good. So, pause with that. Any other questions? Anybody? Oh, Vaidya is there. Vaidya going.
Jaykumar ji, Puja Swamiji has a book on, it's a small booklet on stress management. You might want to consult it. It might still be available with the publications.
No,
I have read it long ago. Huh?
I'm sure I have
read it long ago, but I don't know if I have it handy at home. But because I read it long time. This was, probably in the early 80s or mid 80s when Swamiji had come out of Chinmaya. And there was some time where, he gave a couple of talks like that. There's one called crisis management and there's one on stress management also. Have you seen those?
Vaidya, yeah, I've seen. In fact, I have those books also.
You should consult it.
Definitely. Oh, yeah, I'm going to consult it.
I had put a book that Governing Business and Relations by Parsardi. He covers all that subjects in that book.
Okay. Good.
All I extract from the Vedanta treatise only and from different chapters.
Yeah. So, Vaidya, I remember when Swamiji came to Purdue University.
Yes.
What was the topic? Do you remember?
I don't remember the topic really.
This is
I came
19,
for the talk, but I don't remember the
this is
topic.
1992 or something, 2 or
Yeah,
something.
yeah. No, actually 94, 94.
94
Yeah,
and stress management and inner leisure.
I see.
That was the topic.
I see. That was the topic. Oh, wow. Excellent
I
memory.
used to have an audio cassette of that, but
I see.
2 days he spoke. 2 days.
You cannot play
Correct, correct,
cassettes and all now.
correct. Professor Kashyap had invited him, right?
Yeah.
Professor Kashyap, whom Narayanji also knows.
Well, right, right. But it was invited by Soundarraj.
Yeah,
Soundar,
Soundararajan was also involved. Yeah, correct, correct, correct. Yeah, Soundararajan was had invited Pujasan. Correct.
so anyway, we will see how that goes.
Yeah, in Kashyapji's house, Swamiji conducted a meditation in the morning one day.
Right, right. I attended that.
Yeah.
So Narayanan, you both know Kashyap, is it? Professor Kashyap?
I had met him once a few years back. I mean, there was some ceremony where he was being honored. So I had an invitation. I'd gone there and met him.
Okay.
He has his own organization here called as Kapila Shastri Trust or something.
Yeah, correct. You're right.
Kapila Shastri Trust, I think, and he had published the entire Samhita of all the Vedas.
So he has translated the entire Veda.
Hmm.
And so I had sent him an email some time, some 6 years ago. I sent that to the trust only. I didn't know it was Kashyap. Maybe I saw the word name, but I had a feeling this is the person. He responded with my email also.
But Kashyap passed away, I think, about a year back, right?
Yeah, he passed away a year back. That's what she told me, no? Veera,
Yeah.
what is it?
Yeah, puja.
Puja, right. Puja only.
Kartik sir. Yeah.
He passed away, yeah.
Yeah. So he used to conduct Gita classes at Purdue. I remember he used to conduct, and then at some point I started attending. But we never used to open our mouth. Oh boy.
Vaidyaji is muted, so can't hear.
Oh no, there was just a few of us who used to go, right? You remember Rajdas Hebbar? He also used to come.
Correct. Bar. Anyway, so he must have returned to India long ago, I think. I didn't know about his this electrical engineering professor. Yeah. All right, we'll pause with that.
There's one more electrical engineering professor based out of the US who's writing a lot, Professor Mukund.
Okay.
He is also an electrical engineering professor in one of the universities. He had come here once. I met him about 4-5 years back, and he had published a book on Agnihotra. Professor
Full name?
Mukund.
Professor Mukund.
Professor Mukund.
Okay.
In one of the universities. I mean, I follow him on Twitter. I'll pull out the data and share.
Okay.
Today we are meeting Premaji. Prema Ranganathanji.
Okay. I see. So Lakshmi sent a photo. I think she met Lakshmi yesterday.
No,
Or Lakshmi.
Lakshmi met her yesterday because Lakshmi has got some personal commitment today.
Okay.
So I think Premaji was in Domlur, so she came and met here.
Today I'll remind the Sahapatis in the group that in case somebody wants, we have put it long back, but not many showed interest. Probably they are traveling because of Christmas vacation. So,
I see. Okay.
yeah. So we thought of going and meeting Premaji today.
I see. Okay. Very good. Very nice. Okay. We'll pause.
Dhanyavada Guruji.
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वामय विनाशनाय त्रैलोक्यनाथाय श्रीमहाविष्णवे नमः.
धन्यवाद.